time, initiative was the key to survival. Reaching above and beyond the immediate to rise a step above the rest. That's what differentiates us. Valiant adventures lead to fruitful exploits. Entrusted with this spirit, our ancestors kept it alive for the next breed of pioneers to turn history into legacy. For over 4 decades, FAWAZ Group has built a legacy of excellence. The group was founded in Kuwait in 1973 by the late Mr. Mubarak Abdulaziz Al-Hassawi. Since its inception, the group has achieved remarkable success and has made great strides in various fields, achieving extraordinary growth and reliability. We operate in all GCC countries with branches in Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Bahrain, Oman, and Qatar, with more than 5,000 highly skilled employees providing outstanding services to our valued clients. The group makes every effort to meet customer requirements and achieve full satisfaction in all sectors in which we operate. The group has become a leader in MEP works, refrigeration and air conditioning, firefighting, fire alarm and security, ventilation and pumps. It pioneers in providing new and innovative solutions in the fields of electromechanical engineering, contracting and installation operations. It has an excellent track record in the control and maintenance of major projects in the commercial, hospital, educational, governmental, power plant, military and security, and oil and gas sectors, respectively. FAWAZ is engaged in integrated facility management services, trading of engineering products, installation, HVAC maintenance and services, and production of airside ducts and accessories for HVAC systems. We are very well recognized in the industry for offering diversified and reliable products and services to various sectors such as oil and gas, petrochemical, power, institutional, commercial, and residential. The group has established itself as a market leader in the region and a trusted name in fabrication of sheet metal ducting and accessories for the HVAC industry in Kuwait. Our vision: to be one of the leaders in trading and engineering services in the Middle East by providing innovative solutions and best-in-class quality services. Our mission: FAWAZ, through service excellence in a customer-centric business environment by our competent and loyal employees, will continue to expand the business in the Middle East by timely fulfilling the commitments to our clients and customers, with no compromise on quality, health and safety, and environment standards. Core values: exceptional customer satisfaction, quality and commitment, teamwork, business ethics and best practices, trustworthy alliances. Today, the group boasts a long-standing legacy of top-quality service provision and customer care. It runs its operations through 4 main core businesses: trading, facility management, manufacturing, and MEP contracting. The trading business line has successfully flourished its operations in the Middle East for more than 40 years. It has become a dedicated and reliable supplier of internationally well-known and brand engineering products of consistent quality. We have undertaken a number of large, distinguished projects in the region, entrusted by governments and private agencies alike to deliver superior results and fulfill our clients' needs above and beyond their satisfaction. We are proud to have supplied such prestigious projects in each of those departments in this business line. FAWAZ Group took to the manufacturing industry by introducing its first proprietary product. The group launched its flagship brand, FREGO, in the GCC, which enjoyed jubilant success, leading to an expansion in the product portfolio. Today, FREGO boasts an extensive range of home appliances and air conditioning equipment that caters to all customer needs. It provides high-quality products at competitive prices, securing massive sales and soaring consumer confidence. Facility Management and Fit-Out Works business provides a complete range of top-quality FM services and solutions that cater to our clients' needs round the clock, including a host of both hard and soft facility management solutions, supported by a robust underlying platform that ensures excellent service. We provide services to oil and gas installations, power stations, hospitals, universities, port complexes, high-rise towers, hospitality facilities, offices, shopping malls, residential buildings, villas, mosques, schools, sports facilities, playgrounds, restaurants, showrooms, and more. These facilities receive a high level of attention and support due to the employment of the right infrastructure, equipment, and qualified staff, ensuring that these facilities operate safely, efficiently, and profitably. The manufacturing business line has established itself as a market leader in its field and is a trusted name in sheet metal ducting fabrication and accessories for the heating, ventilating, and air conditioning industry in Kuwait. Carrying the ISO certification ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2015, and BS OHSAS 18001-2007, awarded by the TUV Nord Group. We have a comprehensive range of air management products manufactured in conformity with MACNA DW144 ASH RAE specifications, an option to supply in galvanized, mild, aluminium, and stainless steel, as per customer requirement. Our select sheet metal is of prime quality lock-forming grade, strictly in accordance with ASTM standard A653 for GI duct sheet and zinc coat of 275 grams per square meter, G90U, from reputed steel mills worldwide. The MEP business line has specialized experience in the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing services across a wide variety of sectors. Our excellence derives from our talented engineers and dedicated staff who engage consistently with the client throughout the process, from design to implementation to maintenance and consultation. Within the building services engineering business, we provide a comprehensive range of services and products to support our clients. With extensive experience in a wide range of sectors, we provide robust support to our clients in residential developments, retail centers, and complex office environments. Our clients in hospitals, educational establishments, laboratories, and data centers also rely on us to provide consistent services that improve the quality and safety of their environment. Our comprehensive range of MEP services includes heating and ventilating, water drainage and plumbing, fire detection, lighting design, ventilation and refrigeration, air conditioning and refrigeration, power distribution, controls, and building management systems. Our operations are supported by our excellent facilities. 24/7 fully computerized help desks to support all operations, central stores, showrooms, warehouses. Proving its commitment to quality, FAWAZ Group is certified with standards including QMS ISO 9001-2008, ISO 14001-2004, and BS OH-SAS 18001-2007. FAWAZ services have been acknowledged and awarded numerous times. FAWAZ Group philosophy is based on responsibility and mutual respect. FAWAZ family consists of people who strongly embody this spirit, and that is why FAWAZ offers a level of client focus that is superior among our competitors. Our aim is to become one of the leading electromechanical engineering service providers in the region as well as internationally. To help achieve this objective, the company seeks to attract highly motivated individuals who work as a team and share in the commitment, responsibility, risk-taking, and discipline required to achieve our vision. The success of the company will enable it to give the employees above-average compensation and innovative benefits or rewards, key elements in helping us maintain our leadership position in the region and soon in the worldwide marketplace. This is FAWAZ Group.